tips for making your lips plump. There are individual differences in the shape and size of the lips, but it's common for the lips to lose their size and tension as the body changes with age. Plastic surgery and beauty products are not the only ways to improve your lip. In this video, I will introduce the tips to make your lips plump, full and firm, and to make them looking healthy, naturally and easily. Relax and tighten your lips. One of the reasons why your lips become thinner and smaller as you get older is due to the tension on your face, especially around your mouth. When you feel stress or tension, your jaw and mouth become stiff, which causes muscle tissue to contract and your lip to appear thin. The first step in making your lips plump is to observe them to see if they are tense or relaxed throughout the day. If your lips are tense, take a few minutes of relaxation exercises daily. Close your mouth, tie your lips tightly, push your lips into your mouth and let it sit for 5 to 10 seconds. Then inhale deeply, exhale and blow your lips out strongly. Repeat this 10 times. Exercise a couple of times a day. After exercising, you will notice a voluminous and reddish lips. Promotes blood flow. Another way to help improve the condition of your lips is to improve blood circulation and distribute blood to your lips. This is a recommended method to increase the redness of the lip due to blood circulation promoting effect. Is an exercise like when a child is playing around. Gently close your lips and exhale lightly to vibrate your lip. You will notice a continuous buzzing sound. By doing this exercise for 20 to 30 seconds, the color of your lip will become brighter. Remove dead skin. Like other parts of the body, dead skin cells accumulate on the lip, but be aware that the lips are more delicate. Half a month to every month exfoliating method. Mix baking soda with a small amount of vegetable oil such as olive oil, almond oil and coconut oil. Gently massage the lips and the contours of the lips in a circular motion using the finished paste. The area around the lip become red to remove dead skin cells, ideally done before bedtime. After the massage, wash it with water, moisturize it with a small amount of oil and leave it overnight. Always replenish moisture. Lips tend to be dry and the use of lipstick and lip liner can cause them to dry. Organic coconut butter and vegetable oils every morning and evening. Moisturize your lip, coconut butter or vegetable oil. Also, when performing skincare with a face mask made of natural materials, the following foods are recommended: avocado, yogurt, honey. Learn how to massage your lips. Since the area around the lips is covered with a muscle, the muscles around it are massaged and stimulated to promote blood circulation. Precautions before lip massage: moisturize the entire lip, perform a massage to promote blood circulation and relax the muscles of the lip. Effect of massaging lip: gives lips volume and color, makes your lips colorful and attractive. Massage method: after moisturizing the lip, gently massage the contours of the lips in a circular motion. Use one hand to massage not only the lip but also the corners of the mouth. Do the same massage with the other hand and repeat 10 times per hand.